The apparition of Our Lady in Pontman, France may not be as popular as Lourdes, Fatima, or Guadalupe, but here Mary brought hope to France during the Prussian-Franco War. Our Lady revived the faith of the people of Pontman. This basilica was completed on May 10, 1888 to dedicate to the Marian apparition that happened here on June 17, 1871. Its consecration took place on October 15, 1900, and it was honored with the title Basilica on February 21, 1905. The apparition happened as follows. A few days before the apparition, on the evening of January 11, 1871, an aurora borealis appeared in the sky. A child from the Barbadette family named Eugene, aged 12 years old, came out on the night of January 17, 1871, to see if the aurora borealis would appear again, but instead, he saw a lady floating above the sky. She was dressed in a blue gown adorned with golden stars, a black veil, a gold crown with a red stripe around it, and her shoes were dark blue. Eugene's brother Joseph, aged 10, and his father followed Eugene outside to see the beautiful lady Eugene was talking about. However, only Joseph could see the lady, while his father could only see 3 bright stars. Eventually, Eugene's mother came outside to see what was going on, but she could not see the lady in the sky either, so she called Sister Vitaline, teacher of the boys. When Sister Vitaline could not see anything in the sky, she called 2 girls, François Richer, 11 years old, and Jean-Marie Lebos, 9 years old, without telling them what Eugene and Joseph were seeing. The girls witnessed the lady in the sky and described her just as Eugene and Joseph had. Soon the priest and the neighbors came outside, but still, only the children could see the lady in the sky. The priest led the crowd in prayers. As they prayed, the children saw the golden stars on the lady's garment multiplied until it was almost completely gold. Then a banner unfurled at the lady's feet, and a message in gold letters appeared. The children read, "Oh, do pray, my children. God will answer you very soon. My son lets himself be touched." The people knew that the lady was the Blessed Virgin Mary as she mentioned the word "my son." And so the people began singing Pontman's beloved hymn, the Song of Our Lady of Hope. In response, Our Lady smiled and laughed. As the people began to sing the song "My Sweet Jesus," a red crucifix appeared in Our Lady's hands with the words "Jesus Christ" visible above it. When they sang Ave Maria Stella, the red crucifix disappeared, and 2 white crosses appeared on her shoulders. Then a white veil began to rise slowly, covering Our Lady, and the apparition came to an end. The entire apparition lasted for 3 hours. On the same evening as the apparition, the Prussian army was marching toward the town. They were a few miles away when they were stopped. They saw a vision. The general called out to his troops, "We cannot go any further. A Madonna is blocking the way." The war ended 10 days after the apparition. Peace was restored in France, and no one died from the armies from Pontman. On February 2, 1872, after questioning and investigation, the church in the person of Monsignor Ricard, Bishop of Laval, recognized the apparition as genuine. There was an immediate rush of pilgrims. The Oblate Fathers took charge of the pilgrimage and remained there until 1903. On June 18, 1873, the foundation stone was laid for a vast and beautiful sanctuary in a neo-Gothic style. While building this basilica, a spring of water emerged at the foundation site. The construction couldn't proceed with water surrounding the area, so they redirected the spring to the back of the basilica. Numerous healings and miracles were attributed to this spring.